Yeah, that's a start. Just to explain, there is a secret message in the bird. We don't want to we learn how to redo a bird, so now we can safely ask to the bird, what is your secret? And then we can, he will tell us, and then we will leave it alone on its own life.
Yeah.
Live its own life. So, Quinn, please ask the bird.
Bird, may I know your secret? Oh, and I'm learning how to make it as well. Whoa! Oh, very cool. What an interesting shape that is.
Yeah. It's a beautiful paper. Sorry, it's
Yes.
a beautiful paper as well.
Yes. Someone's phone number.
Do you know what this is?